Meet Daniel. He owns a beautiful home, has a stable, high-paying job, and recently purchased his dream car. Life is great, until one day he, along with hundreds of his coworkers, are laid off. Now Daniel is unable to pay bills for several long months. Now his home is under foreclosure and his car was repossessed. Daniel was able to find a new job, but unfortunately the damage has already been done. His credit was ruined. It seemed like there was nothing he could do until a friend told him about our company GreenScale Credit. At GreenScale, we help improve your credit wellness, allowing you to be approved for the best credit cards, access the lowest rates on auto loans, home loans, and more, but most importantly, giving you a fresh start. Our team of friendly experts will walk you through the entire process while educating you along the way. With our help, Daniel was able to remove collection accounts, late payments, and repossessions from his credit report, resulting in significant increases in his credit score. Thanks to GreenScale Credit, he was able to save his home and purchase a new car with a lower interest rate. Life is finally getting better for him. Bad things happen to good people. The good news is bad credit is temporary. Take the first step on the road to recovery and go to www.greenscalecredit.com to sign up for your free credit consultation today.